creating AI models for your t-shirt business. Guys, welcome back, and I'm happy that you're still here with me. We're still going on because hear what, even though we have published everything else, the main important thing is getting the sale. So in this lesson, I will be breaking that down for you step by step, and I will be helping you to create content. So in one of our earlier lessons, we talked about the importance of branding and creating consistent content for your business. Having a t-shirt design is only the beginning. If people never see your products, they will never buy. They can't buy if they are not seeing what you're offering. That's why marketing is one of the most important part of building a successful print on demand business. So in another lesson, I am going to show you how to create professional marketing image and turn them into content, video content, right? And we're going to use artificial intelligence to do that. We're going to use AI to do that. All right? Yes. So instead of paying for a photographer or booking photo shoot, renting studios, or hiring real life models, we are going to create our own AI models using ChatGPT and this prompt generator that I have put together for you. It is called AI Model Builder Pro. And bro, trust me, it's really helpful. Before following this lesson, make sure you already have your t-shirt design completed. Your design should already be uploaded to Fort Wall Store and published. If you haven't published it yet, that's okay. That's okay. But your design should be finished before creating your marketing image. So you have to make sure you have your design ready before we can jump into creating our AI model. Right? The AI model is there to showcase your product. So without a complete design, there is nothing to display on the t-shirt. So what we'll be using for this lesson, we will be using two tools. We will be using AI Builder Prompts, and we will be using ChatGPT, right? Yes. So one of the first option you will see is the Smart Defaults. Let me tell you how it's used. When Smart Default is on, the AI model prompts generate automatically. Choose professional settings that work well together for you. This includes details such as photography, style, lighting, camera angles, image quality, and other settings that help produce premium quality images for you. This feature is highly recommended for beginners because it helps you to achieve a professional result without having to adjust every settings yourself. If you are more experienced and want complete control over every details, you can turn on and you can keep it off. If you want to manually make your own selection, keep it off. Alright, art style. For art style, I am going to select Ultra Hyper Realistic. Guys, as you go along, you will see different models that you can create. You have a few of them you can explore. And just a reminder, for every category, you have the option to describe and customize your own style. Alright, so for example, I don't want to use these. I can just simply customize what I want to work. Alright, so I'm going to select Ultra Hyper Realistic. And for my model, this is what I'm going to do. So when you're selecting your model, you can select female, male, couple, family, group, or you can do custom just the same. All right, so I'm going to select female. And for the nationality, you can select. Also, you can do custom. For me, I'm going to keep it as African American. For my hairstyle, I have body wave, loose waves, long. I'm going to remove this. And I'm gonna put bouncy curl. There you go. I have bouncy, long. All right. For the expression, I'm gonna keep it at confident. For my age range, I am gonna select 26 to 35. Guys, we have 18 to 25, 36 to 45, 46 to 30. It all depends. You can also do custom. I'm gonna keep it as 26 to 35. That's the age range I want my model to be. You also have the option to do body type. So you have female option. Remember now, we have male option, and you can also do custom. So if you want to create a male model, the option is also there for you. So for me, I'm going to select, right? And for the ear color, I have selected it already. Well, I enter it. The option is not there to enter the ear color. You have to type in what you want. So you have chocolate brown, and I'm going to just remove the bouncy curl. And there we go. Right. Another helpful feature is the same model. When this option is enabled, the AI prompt generator will continue describing the same AI model every time you generate a few prompts, right? So this allows you to build a consistent brand identity by using the same AI model throughout your marketing content. So let's say for example, let's say you want all your models to have the same look. You will turn this on, all right? If you're working with a brand and you want consistency, then you can go ahead and do this. For clothing, of course, the product type is t-shirt. You know, you have a few other things there. You can also do custom. And the fit, if you want the t-shirt to be oversized or you want it to be regular fit, you can click on regular fit, slim fit. You make the selections. And for the garment color, we're using white. And where would I want my design to be? The artwork position, I want it to be in the center of the chest. Where you want yours to be? You want it to be on the left chest, the full front chest, full back. Make your selections. For the bottom wear, you have option to select the color of your jeans. You can also do custom. Let's say you don't want her to be wearing jeans, you would want her to be wearing skirts. I'm gonna do skirt. I'm gonna do skirt. So instead of selecting jeans, I'm gonna do custom, and I'm gonna type in skirt. And I'm gonna put it at colorful. All right, so you have the option to do footwear also. In case you want your model to have full body, you can actually, you know, give them a footwear. So for this, I'm gonna select, let's see, I'm gonna do custom, and I'm gonna do ear max. If you want to do accessories, you can. If you want to do accessories, if you don't, you can just simply select no. But I'm gonna give her a shopping bag. Why? Because I'm gonna put her in a mall. Alright, so for your image framing, choose your image framing. I want a full body of her. You can also make other selection. If you want her chest up, waist up, half body, you can make your selections. And for her location, I said that I want her to be in a shopping mall, didn't I? So I'm just gonna select shopping mall. Under pose, I'm gonna say she's walking. Marketing and format will literally tell the AI where you're bringing image to. So this is a purpose of TikTok content. If you're doing Pinterest pin, you make a selection. If you're doing Instagram reel, you make a selection. If you're doing Facebook post, you make a selection. You can also do custom. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am gonna do content on TikTok, and I'm gonna keep it as story. Alright, now guys, while I was making my selection, did you notice anything? While I was making my selection, on the right hand side, all my selections is being generated in this box, right? So after I make all my selections, all I would have to do now is tap on copy prompt. You're noticing that you're copying the prompt and it's not copying, right? Once you tap on copy, it should bring up a green highlighted word saying prompt has been copied, right? It doesn't work with my computer, it must work with my phone. So because it's not allowing me to copy the prompt, I'm just gonna copy it manually, just like that. If you're using the prompt generator on your iPad or your phone, this button will work for you. So let's say, for example, before you go over to ChatGPT, you would have noticed that you didn't make a selection, right? Or probably you want to change it, the garment colors from white to probably a next color. When you make adjustment, you always tap on the generate prompt button so it can update the prompt box for you. So instead of having white, it's going to change it to pink. All right, awesome. So what we're using now throughout the rest of the lesson is ChatGPT, and how we're going to do this is I'm going to tap on create an image. Now we're telling ChatGPT that what we want to do is create an image. We're then going to upload our designs. So I'm going to grab my design. And there we go. This is my design. Now the feature I'm using is to create an image. I'm just going to paste my prompt. Now my next step is to allow it to do the rest of the work. Okay, so this is what we get. And guys, if you're using your ChatGPT and it gives you an option like this, it wants you to select which one of the style you want to work with. Alright, so for me, I'm going to work with image 1. Probably I like image 2, but I'm going to work with image 1. Okay, I'm working with image 1. Now guys, what I'm going to do is that I am going to upload this image as a mock-up on our store. Alright, if you're asking, the reason why we're using ChatGPT is because it can take both our written prompts and upload t-shirt design and combine them together in a professional marketing image. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go to Fourth Wall now. I'm then gonna log in. Once I log in, I'm going to go to product, and once I'm on product, I'm just gonna tap on right here. Now it's giving me the option to edit, right, my product. I'm gonna scroll all the way down, and where you see a little plus, I'm gonna tap on it and I'm gonna upload my model, right? And I'm telling it that let's see, it giving us the option if we want to crop it, we can crop it, or if we want the full image, you can work with the full image. Let's see how the crop version will turn out. No, I'm not gonna crop it. You can unstick the crop option and just simply just adjust it to your style, but I'm gonna work with as how it is. And I'm gonna tap on add photo. It has been uploaded. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and save because I know that it's saved. Alright, so there is my model. She's rocking the white t-shirt, right? So in case you want her to be in other colors, what you would have to do, I'm gonna save one of these. Save. You would have to do is come back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna tell ChatGPT that I want to put her in this color. Come on now. Alright, go back, try to upload and see if it will give me the option. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna tell it to put her in the upload image, in the upload t-shirt instead. Guys, I'm not that tech savvy, but trust me, AI will understand what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna send it off, and we're gonna wait on it to generate again. There we go, guys. All right, so let's say we want to save this image. Head back straight over to Fourth Wall. We're gonna tap on the plus button, and we're gonna upload our lifestyle mock-up, and we're gonna unstick the cropped and add photo. And then I'm just gonna put it to the front. Guys, also if you don't want some of these mock-ups, you can just remove them by simply deleting them. If you think it's too much, delete them. It's really your option to select what you want for your customers. You understand? Yes. You can remove the ones that you don't want. Now, after adding my lifestyle model, my real model, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save my information. Right? And let's visit our store and see if we will be able to see our update. So visit store. I'm gonna scroll down and let's see for the white if we're gonna see our model. Okay, our model is there. Cute. All right, so you can upload a model for all the different colors that you have available. Matter of fact, if you want to change out all of the images, you can do so. The option is yours to make. All right, guys. Now, what I'm going to do in this lesson is I'm gonna go all the way back to my dashboard and we're gonna tap on site design. And guys, remember, we did customize our website, we did publish our product, our first product, but what we didn't did was make our website live. We still have coming soon, so we're going to change it from coming soon to live now. If you want, you can schedule it to go live, but come on, if you have product in your store and you're ready for create content and market your thing, save. So our website is live, and once it's live, you're going to see it up here. All right, so now in our next lesson, guys, I will be showing you how to turn your image into live video. All right, so instead of having a still image for your content, you'll be able to make your AI model move, walk, pose, create eye-catching videos. You'll be able to add voiceovers also, make it look more like your model is presenting and advertising your products for you, right? This is powerful. This is a powerful way to create engaging content for your TikToks or your whatever social media platform you're working with. To access your AI model prompt generator, the link will be shared underneath this video, so all you have to do is just tap on it and you have access to it. So you will find 2 links below this video. The link for this store will be below this video, so you can always come back and explore and check out how I lay out everything. All right, so in the next video, we're going to turn our images into live videos.